she's complaining of dizzy spells and headaches, and she's praying for an end to all these pains. She hears the old folks whisper, your wishes will be granted if you make 1,000 paper cranes. Sadako, let me make a paper crane for you. Sadako, let me help to make your dreams come true. She doesn't wish for chocolate cakes or dolls or colored dresses, as lovingly she folds each paper crane. The only prayer she whispers, may the sickness go away, and the poison bombs don't ever fall again. Her hands are going slower, but her hopeful heart is racing. She has made 600 cranes in 44. But the headaches keep returning, her fingers they are burning. She whispers, I just can't make any more. Sadako, let me make a paper crane for you. Sadako, let me help to make your dreams come true. The children leave the classroom, they are crowding round her bedside. They're folding paper cranes with loving speed. Soon there'll be 1,000, and your wishes will come true. Sadako, are you smiling in your sleep? The pains of life are leaving, and the only dream she's dreaming is a dream the bombs will never fall again. And that's the dream they carry as they gather at her graveside and gently place 1,000 paper cranes. Sadako, let me make a paper crane for you. Sadako, let me help to make your dreams come true. Let me help to make your dreams come true.